Hello.
Hello.
Yes, and then I want to ask three questions in Mongolian language, and you can give answer in your native language. Yes.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
then very first question is 다 어리고 단소노. It means please introduce yourself. Mhm.
大家好，我叫 Lin，来自中国，然后现在呢正在我的环球之旅，然后第一站是从蒙古出发，接下来去到俄罗斯，然后呢，希望一切顺利。
Mhm.
大家好，我是来自中国，然后我和我的朋友是在这个二连浩特遇见的，然后呢，我觉得蒙古是一个非常特别的城市。
Wow, nice to meet you. And second question is 다 야가 몽고 도식 선고치 아일 좋아가 왜? Why you are in Mongolia? Why you choose Mongolia on this trip? This like that.
刚刚也提到了这个呢，蒙古呢是我这次环球之旅的第一站，然后也很开心、很荣幸能够来到 B 的地方，他跟我们分享了很多蒙古传统文化，还有一些传统的生活方式，觉得为我这次旅行的开端打了一个很好的头。
Wow.
我想看一下这个内蒙和外蒙的一个区别，这是我来这里的原因。
Wow. And thank you. And very final question on this short video. Танд Монгол хүн хэлэх үг байна уу? Эсвэл Монгол хүнээс асуух зүйл байна уу? It is what do you want to say to our Mongolians, or what is your question from Mongolian people? It is like.
这几天在 B 的这几天在 B 的家庭和他们生活了几天，然后我发现蒙古的一些传统的生活方式还是非常有意义的，和自然的链接也很深，所以呢我也希望就是无论是蒙古人还是其他国家，包括中国还有世界很多不同角落的人，他们都可以有这样的心态去尽量的传承一些传统文化，我觉得这个对于人类来讲也是很有意义的一件事情。
Wow.
我觉得这个乌兰巴托的城市生活和牧民的生活像是两种，但是又像结合在一起，这个是非常特别的一个国家。
Wow. And then have to say thank you in Chinese language.
谢谢。
谢谢. Yes.
Yes.
And,
谢谢。
谢谢。
谢谢. 谢谢. Yes. And in Mongolia we say bayırla. Bayırla. Yes, bayırla. And then thank you for your this short video because we want to keep our this moment by this video, and then let's meet again and see you again. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And have a good trip around the world.
Bye bye.
See you.
See
Yeah,
you.
we'll see you again. And we're number 769.
Yes, exactly. Yes.